Number 15. Alan drives an average of 100 miles per week. His car can travel an average of 25 miles per gallon of gasoline. Alan would like to reduce his weekly expenditure on gasoline by $5. Assuming gasoline costs $4 per gallon, which equation can Alan use to determine how many fewer average miles, M, he should drive each week? Okay, so there's a lot of numbers here. So let's see what we can do. Let's try to calculate how much money it will cost him per week. So, if gasoline costs $4 per gallon, $4 per 1 gallon, he can drive his car at 25 miles per gallon. So when we divide $4 per gallon by 25 miles per gallon, we can multiply by its reciprocal and get, for 1 gallon, he goes 25 miles. And if we multiply all of this by m number of miles, then that will give us the total cost. So if we look at the dimensions in this, gallons and gallons will cancel, miles and miles will cancel, and all we're left with is the number of dollars it costs for him. But this question is kind of tricky. It's looking for an equation that tells him that he wants to reduce his weekly expenditure by $5 to determine how many fewer average miles. This isn't asking for total price or total miles. It's asking for how much miles he should go down by to get a certain number of dollar reduction. So if we can still use this equation though, because we can just say number of miles reduced and total costs reduced. So if he wants to reduce his total cost by $5, then he has to figure out, basically he has to solve for m using this function, which can simplify to 4 over 25 times m. And if he wants to reduce by $5, he can solve for m and get how many miles he needs to reduce by. This is what the question is asking for, which is option D.